This beautiful custom-built all-brick home in Belle Mor Lakes has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and features an in-home office, formal dining room, breakfast nook, galley kitchen, and a large backyard concrete patio on 0.33 acres. These front 2 bedrooms have brand new carpeting. They were freshly painted in spring of 2020. They feature ceiling fans and lots of natural lighting. The rest of the home has luxury vinyl plank flooring that was installed in 2018. The interior of the house was freshly painted in spring of 2020. This is a great studio or office, beautiful French doors separated from the rest of the living area. Lots of natural light in here as well. And right across the hall, we have our first bathroom. There is a linen closet to the right and a coat closet to the left. Double vanity sink in here, tile flooring, and a separate shower, tub, combo, and toilet room. Now across the hall, next to the office, we have the dining room, which we'll look at in just a second. This is the 3rd bedroom. Double door closets like the previous 2, but this one does have that LVP flooring. Across the hall, we have the dining room. Lots of natural lighting, crown molding, the LVP flooring. Lots of room for all your friends and family. The house flows directly into the living room. We have a ceiling fan, a gas fireplace, and there's a great view of the backyard as well as access to the back patio. This room opens up directly into the galley kitchen. In the kitchen, you're going to find new quartz countertops and a quartz sink, gorgeous tile backsplash, and all of the kitchen appliances do convey with the home. The microwave is a Samsung microwave convection oven, which was installed in 2019, and there is a GE water filtration unit, which was installed in the kitchen sink in 2017. Large walk-in pantry right off the kitchen. The secluded master suite is situated at the back of the home for extra privacy, and the master bedroom has double insulated interior walls to reduce noise. The cabinet that you see here over the toilet has been removed. The wall has been patched and painted. Now we're going to head back in. Here is our eat-in kitchen area with a great view of the side yard. Next to that, we have the laundry room with lots of shelving space and a dedicated freezer outlet right there on the right-hand side. Across from the laundry room is a large walk-in closet. It could be a utility closet. It could be a linen closet. It could just be extra storage. And then to the left, we have a 3-car garage. Please note that all the shelves, the hanging lights, the TV, and the TV wall mount will be removed. Walls will also be patched and painted prior to closing. There is attic access, pull-down attic access here in the garage as well. A quiet belted garage door opener was also installed in 2019. Now we're going to go check out the backyard. We have a great covered patio with extended concrete slab, beautiful view of the tree-lined yard. And remember, this house sits on 0.33 acres. It's zoned for Providence Elementary, Williams Middle School, and Columbia High School. The shed there at the back of the yard does have flooring and electricity. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this virtual open house. If you have questions about this home, would like to see it in person, or would like us to show you other homes that might better suit your needs, give us a call at 256-520-9640 and let us help you unlock the door to your next home.